we work with thousands of manufacturers. And when we ask them, what are your most strategic initiatives? One that is consistently at the top is software-driven engineering.
1, 2, 3, yeah.
Microsoft has a wide variety of really high-performance computing architectures that are purpose-built to solve some of the most difficult computing problems that exist in the world.
It is about empowering manufacturing to operate sustainability and competitively in today's market.
So we teamed up with the Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing team to deploy cutting-edge generative AI solutions with world-class companies.
With the power of Microsoft AI, we give our customer predictive analysis for them to achieve more.
Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing lets them be able to get the best breadth and depth of infrastructure that's out there.
Microsoft is amazing at bringing together companies who can work on these things.
When I first started working with the Microsoft team, it was clear that there was a lot of value and emphasis put on partnership.
We're all excited about this journey and look forward to extending our innovation.
Slalom plus Microsoft are working together with one single goal, that is to give back and get a better world.
There's a lot of technology companies out there in the world, but it's fun to be able to support those engineers that are making our lives better on a day-to-day basis.